Hello everyone, welcome to Rapid Deutsch. Today we will see German conjunctions. And,
Und,
or,
oder,
but,
aber,
because,
weil,
if or when,
wenn,
nevertheless or still,
trotzdem,
therefore or that's why,
deshalb,
after,
nachdem,
before,
bevor,
so that,
sodass, damit,
as long as,
solange,
whether,
ob,
during,
während,
then,
dann,
otherwise,
sonst,
however,
jedoch,
in case,
falls,
until.
bis.
For easy trick, subscribe to Rapid Deutsch.
Vielen Dank fürs Zuschauen. Abonnieren Sie unseren Kanal Rapid Deutsch.